Okay, so for this problem, we're given a recursive relationship. We're told that the fifth term is negative 24, the second term is 10. We have to find the sum of the first and the seventh term. All right, the best thing to do here is try to use some of the info you're given. If I know A5 and A2, then maybe I can write some relationship involving them. So I can utilize those numbers. So like using our recurrence relation, for example, I know that A5 has to equal the term before it, which is A4, minus 2 times the term before that, which is A3. And if I want to get A2 involved, I might try writing it one level down. Okay, and so notice at this point, the reason I did that is because I know this is a number that can get replaced with a negative 24. And I also know this is a number, so that can get replaced with a 10. What that'll leave behind are two equations, both involving A4 and A3, which means I can solve for both of those. So this says if I replace it with a negative 24 is equal to A4 minus 2A3. And this says A4 is equal to A3 minus 2 times A2, but I know that's a 10. And now I can actually take this whole expression, which is equal to A4, and put it right in there so that I get negative 24 is equal to A3 minus 20 minus 2 times A3. If I add 20 to both sides, I get a negative 4. Collect like terms, I get a negative A3. 4 is A3. All right, so now I got A3, but I can get A4 as well, because A4 is equal to A3 minus 2 times minus 20, right? So negative 16. Okay, so let's find A1, because we need that. I know that A3 is equal to A2 minus 2A1. That's from our relationship above. I learned A3 is a 4. I learned A2, or I'm told A2 is a 10. Okay, and so I just need to find A1 here. If you minus 10 from both sides, you get negative 6. So that dividing by negative 2, you get 3 is A1. All right, so now I got A1, let's get A7. I think first I gotta find A6. A6 is A5 minus 2A4, but I know that A5 was negative 24 from above. And I learned A4 is negative 16. Okay, so now I get, so this is equal to negative 24 plus 32. And that's equal to 8. And so now A7 is equal to A6 minus 2A5. A6 we just learned is an 8. A5 we were told is negative 24. Okay, and so that becomes 8 plus 48. 8 plus 48 is 56. And so now we arrive at the fact that A7, which is 56, plus A1, which we learned is a 3, is 3 plus 56, which is 59.